Today I have a quick product review for you that is a little bit out of season, but because of the corona pandemic, I have not received all the products in time. And this one came in a little late because it is spring and summer, and I'm afraid I will not be able to reorder. So I wanted to introduce you to these papers that are absolutely gorgeous. It's a new company, a Polish company. So let me show those to you in a minute. So the company is called P13. It is a Polish company. It is a mother and daughter team that creates these most gorgeous papers that first of all I want to show you. These are 6x6 paper pads. Again, this one here is spring 4 seasons, and this one here is sunshine. That was their summer line. I did not get it in time. I got it now, but since this is the 2020, it will not be available next year. At least I don't think so, and I have limited quantities, so I wanted to show you these papers because they are seriously gorgeous. First of all, you have the inside of the cover with all kinds of ephemera that you can use by either cutting it out, fuzzy cutting them, or using it as strips or as background for tags. Beautiful. And then just take a look at this paper pad. I'm not going to say much. I'm just going to go ahead and walk you through this paper pad. It is double-sided. It's got cut aparts. But have you seen anything like this lately? This is just so gorgeous that when I saw it in person, and here it starts again. So what you have is you have 24 double-sided sheets, 4 sheets of 6 designs. So you have plenty of the designs to use, so you can use it and then still have some for your stash, because you don't want to use it all at once. It's just so pretty. Here is the second one, and of course the bonus here is the inside. Look here, on this inside you have a map, which could be pretty interesting. Then we got the Eiffel Tower here. So this was their summer line. Unfortunately, I didn't get it until now. Look at the lemons, how beautiful. Suitcases. Oh, I love these cameras. Oh my God, look at that, how gorgeous. Very pretty. And here it starts again. And I don't know if the camera picked it up, but these are not just solid, they have a design. This one too has a design. So, but I don't see how you can even use the back when you have a beautiful front like this. So these are the 2 paper packs, and then we also have corresponding die cuts. And let's just look at the die cuts. They come like this as a garland. And of course you can definitely make a garland out of this, just as suggested here on the packaging. There are 15 pieces, but you can use them as focal points on your cards. Absolutely gorgeous. So I haven't really seen anything like this. This is new and I love it. Oops, there's an ice cream, and they're also double-sided, so you could use this side as well. So absolutely beautiful imagery. Here we go, and then here is the one for the 4 seasons. And that was the spring one that we looked at earlier. Look at the cute bunny. We know Easter is coming again next year, so why not have those in your stash? So I haven't had a chance to craft with them because they just came in. Very delayed, but they came. Look at that chick. And I'm glad that I have them. So I will craft with them as soon as I'm done with my Christmas projects for next spring. But again, I don't think I will be able to reorder because next year, who knows what happens. If I can even get them over here. It's been difficult with Corona to get products from Europe over here. It definitely has delays, and some didn't come at all. A couple of lines for fall didn't happen. So here is, I don't have the paper pack, it's coming. So maybe when I send this, the paper pack is already here. But look how beautiful these designs are. So yeah, I wanted to make sure that you have a chance to look at these. And then I have a couple more for you. The other new company that I have in my store is Ciao Bella, and Ciao Bella is a company located in Italy, and they also make absolutely gorgeous papers. Here I have an A4 and a 6x6 paper pad. Now the A4 paper pad has 17 different patterns and designs that you can cut out, and background papers. So I mean, look at these. They're easy to cut, as you can see here in the glossary. It's mostly tags. When you turn it around, you have an idea. You get tags, you have a circle, but straight lines. So circle, if you have a circle cut, you can probably use that, but the straight lines are easy to cut out. And this accompanies this beautiful paper pack, and it's called Microcosmos. And let me show you how the paper pack works. So in this paper pack, these are 6x6 papers, and you have 12 double-sided papers, and they're in there twice, so you have 24 sheets. So let me just go through them because they are so gorgeous. Look at the ladybugs. Yeah, this is serious here. I mean, look at these papers. Even rocks, like underwater. Hummingbirds. Critters. A few frames here. There is a snail, purple flowers, butterflies, dragonflies, borders. Yeah, so, oops, a little ladybug. Yeah, those papers are special. I have not seen any papers like that in a long time. Also in this same line, Ciao Bella, so this was the Microcosmos. I did get in fall papers, and these papers are the sound of autumn, and I will have a video with those. I'm gonna use these, and they're just also double-sided, muted fall colors. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. I just love these. And then they're cardstock, so I'm definitely going to do something with this. I mean, this is just absolutely, I don't know, I keep saying gorgeous, but that's what they are. I love these papers. Even a puppy playing with the falling leaves. Mushrooms. So this is the fall line that came in. I will have a video coming up with this. And then there is also winter papers that came in, and it's called Time for Home. Also, and let's take a look, and I will craft with those as well. And here we have the cut aparts. So beautiful. And this is winter, so it's not just Christmas. That carries on beyond the holidays. You can make winter cards. Here in California, we don't have much of a winter, but here you can see January, December, February. In most parts of the country, you do have winter, and you do want to use winter imagery. Look at this, how beautiful. So this you can use for Christmas, but you don't have to. And I love the wood. Look at the wood grain here on the opposite side. With the watering can with the bluebirds. So, so gorgeous. Oh, look at, oh, I'm sorry about that. Look at those snowflakes. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I didn't want you to miss these out, so I'm sorry I don't have any projects yet because they just came in, and I wanted to make sure you have a chance to get them while they are available. And with these for the fall and winter, I definitely gonna craft with those. So you will, oh, look at these villages here, how cute. So you will see something coming up with those papers. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you stay or get well. Let us be kind to each other, and I will catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.